Hi there, welcome to my workshop. It's a great tough shed workshop. I'm really glad that I chose the option with the dormer windows because it lets in all kinds of light. Right now I've got my tools on my pad out here so I can get started working in the great weather that we have here in Albuquerque. Well, come on in, I'll show you my workshop. The Tough Shed built this workshop for me and then I finished it. And you can see from the finishing that I put pegboard all the way around. I added a ceiling and I put in a great rubber floor. This is great to walk on and it insulates both thermally and acoustically. This is an excellent place for me to do work. You can also see I installed the ceiling fan. And one of the nicest options that I chose from Tough Shed when I had this built was this workbench. This workbench is perfect. Tough Shed installed this workbench and the smaller workbench down below. They also installed the white pegboard up here. That's the only pegboard that Tough Shed installed. And I think I mentioned that I insulated all of the walls, the ceiling, and then the floor is insulated with this rubber floor. Here's some examples of the work that I've been doing just recently here in my workshop. And it's great because I can do a lot of work outside. And then when the weather starts getting bad, I've got plenty of room in here to do work inside. I highly recommend the Tough Shed workshop. Everybody needs a workshop and everybody could use a Tough Shed workshop. Thank you.